In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly extension to Chrome. By the end, you'll have Grammarly up and running in your browser so it can help you catch typos, refine sentences, and write with more confidence anywhere you type online. Start by opening the Chrome Web Store in your browser. If you're not sure how to get there, you can search for Chrome Web Store or go directly to the official store page. This is where Google hosts extensions, so it's the safest place to install tools like Grammarly. Once the page loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. In that search bar, type Grammarly and press Enter. Look for the official Grammarly extension result. It's typically named Grammarly, Grammar Checker, and Writing App. And it should clearly show that it's from Grammarly. Checking the publisher and reviews is a good habit to make sure you're installing the genuine tool. Click the Add to Chrome button on the Extensions page. A small confirmation box will pop up explaining the permissions the extension needs to work, like reading text on pages where you write. This is normal for grammar tools. Click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download and install it in a few seconds, and you may see a new tab open with a brief setup page. You might also notice a small Grammarly icon in your toolbar. That's a quick way to access its settings. Next, sign in to your Grammarly account to activate the extension. If a tab opened automatically, it will prompt you to log in. If not, click the Grammarly icon near the top right of Chrome and choose to sign in from there. Use your preferred login method. Once you're logged in, the extension is active and ready to help. Now, start typing anywhere in Chrome: email, social media, or a document in Google Docs. Grammarly will underline potential issues as you write. Click an underline to see the suggestion, then choose to accept, dismiss, or learn more. You can also open the sidebar to see a summary of suggestions and adjust preferences like English dialect or writing goals. If you don't see suggestions, make sure the extension is enabled by clicking the puzzle icon in Chrome and checking that Grammarly is turned on. That's it. You've added Grammarly to Chrome, signed in, and you're ready to write with smarter, clearer language. If you ever need to pause it on a site, open the extension and toggle it off for that page. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.